So welcome back. I just got my engine from the mechanic. As you can see now, everything like screws get on alright, and the bearing is in there. It's a new bearing, and he also changed me the oil from the gearing. Yeah, so what I want to do now is assemble the variator, the clutch, and also this whole side with the cooling pump, with the whole electric. Yeah, as you can see, a new part arrived that I also needed. Not everything, so I can't finish it today, but that's just a replacement, because from here I lost like one of these pins and now I can't use it anymore. Yeah, so I'm gonna start now and let's see how long I take for this. So sorry for filming nothing, but the engine is nearly assembled. As you can see, clutch and everything is on. On the other side, the same thing. This is like from stage 6, a new water pump that should be even better than the original one, because I got like a 70cc on it. You can see my low C. Just gonna put the clutch, the whole cover on. Then I should be finished with the engine and could hopefully put it in my moped in the next few days if the parts arrive from Amazon. Yeah, so I'm just gonna replace this real quick. So as you can see, the cover is on. Now I should be completely finished with the engine. The only thing that I need to assemble is like obviously the back wheel and this engine mount that's gonna go through these, but this is the part I need to wait for, and that's also the reason why I can install it. So yeah, the only parts that are missing now I should put on when it's installed in the bike is the exhaust, which I can't wait to see, and the airbox with the new molasses sponge. Then just fill in the new coolant that I also need to mix, and I'm gonna see you when the parts arrive. For me it's gonna be a few days, but for you it's gonna be like some seconds. Let's go. So these are the parts that arrived just today. Actually they arrived quicker than I thought. This is the new engine bolt. Over there is the old one, which is broken, which I can't use anymore, and just some other tubes for the cooling, which I still want to use. You don't have to use it, but I still want to use it. It's the carburetor cooling. And later a friend is also gonna come and help me install the engine, and hopefully, I'm not sure, but hopefully I should be finished today and it should have the first start today. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to install this tube and hope that it's gonna fit. So the engine bolts in. I had some troubles to put the 2 safety pins in correctly, because I think that this bearing wasn't in all the way, so I couldn't put it in on this side, but I just heated up the whole surrounding head, and then I had that safety pin in there and just hammered it just a little more in, and now both safety pins fit, which is great. As said, I'm just gonna remove the cylinder head quickly, because I'm not sure if I saw some how to say this, like metal grains or something on the cylinder, but I mean it's a 3-minute job just to check, because I don't want my engine to blow up just because I was too lazy to check it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Yeah. So I took the head away. I said brand new spark plug, new everything. I didn't put the temperature thingy in because it's not needed. When you have a 70cc kit on it, there would be like some golden thing that only lets the coolant through if the engine is warm enough. That just helps it heat up faster, but I mean it's a 70cc, so it would just block the cooling, which is very important. Because the 70cc is getting hotter than a normal 50cc, obviously. And here, the cylinder, I don't know if that's just... Yeah, no, that's just a little bit of oil and just other things, so no problem here. But I just wanted to check it, and if I have it open right now I can also put a little bit of engine oil in it because it's a little bit dry. The engine is here, my friend is here, and now this engine has to go in this bike. For now everything was working alright. Now we need to put the wheel on, the brakes, this beautiful exhaust, and just some other small things, and hopefully we should hear the engine for the first time. So yeah, let's start. Then have a Schube.
Oh, the whole cut was really big. Oh. The room. Kannst du da so? Wie der Hebel, oder? Gibt's einen Radführer? Okay, hey, lass mal los. Hey. Hey. Ja? Stimme. Ja. Kein Vorteil. Ich komme in den Rollerkalender. Es gab 19 oder so. Auf der anderen Seite hast du auch nicht genommen.
Do you want to explain what you're doing?
Yes, of course. I'm currently squeezing the two brake pads off of each other so I can put the brake on the brake. So I can put the brake caliper on the brakes. What we don't want to forget is the Loctite on the bolts, because we don't want that our brakes just fall off. That's not very optimal. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of Loctite. Das zittert so.
So, see?
Now we're gonna play a little bit of mechanic. This is probably not the way to do it, but my fuck-ass cameraman rather wants to film than to help me. But I think that's life sometimes. It works and sometimes not.
Sound like a girl.
Okay. Don't forget the last bolt. I hope the wheel doesn't fall off when I'm driving. Nein, den verbunden.
Warum? Muss hebben.
Nein, Achtung.
Schwinkel.
The Aerox build is now complete. The engine is in, the coolant is in. I filled up the tank. The front face has to go on, but that's later. The exhaust is on. The whole engine is installed, and now we are gonna do the first start. I'm really scared if it won't start or if it will start or not. But we're gonna see it now. This moment says either I'm gonna cry later or I'm gonna be really happy. Scary moments.
Is that compression? Oh, that's big compression. Oh! Also das ist vor
runtergehen, weil es muss alles mit Benzin schieben.
Ja.
It's gonna take some seconds because now everything is filling up with gasoline. So that's normal, don't be scared. Or I'm coping. Oh.
Wat was de vraag?
Ja. Ich habe gesagt, es braucht hure lang, Bro. Ja, nein, lang, gib kein Gas.
Quick voiceover from my side. As you can see, my Aerox started for the very first time. I was really happy, but then just randomly my moped just went full throttle. I didn't know why it happened at that time. We were really lucky that it was on the main stand, because if it wasn't on the main stand, it would just like really away, if I can say it like that, just full throttles in a car, or I don't know, maybe in a door. So I'm really glad that it didn't happen. Mind you, it's the first time this engine was running, new piston, new everything, and instantly full throttle. But nothing else happened after that. You're gonna see it in the next clip. And we found the problem pretty quick. That was because of the carburetor. We had something adjusted wrong, and we fixed it pretty quickly. Yeah.
So as you can see, my moped is finally running. We had some starter problems, but that was with the gas, which we had tightened it up too much, and then it would just give full power, which isn't probably very good for the cylinder. But now we fixed it. It's idling great, and yeah, I'm really happy. I didn't thought I could make this, because like I rebuilt the whole engine, and nothing is leaking for now. And yeah, you can see. Sounds great. I have it idling for some minutes now. It shows like half the fuel. I don't know if it is full or not. I hope so, because if not, then I put way too much oil in there. But yeah, what can I do? I need to refill the coolant a bit now. And yeah, I'm just gonna ride around the garage sometimes, just to test everything. Yeah. So the next video that I'm gonna do is how to adjust everything, probably. And I hope y'all liked everything from the filming and stuff. And yeah, please leave a like and subscribe if you want more content, because I'm definitely not finished with this bike. And yeah, then we will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Loki cooked. Ja. Förgasarreitig. Ooh.